Good morning everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss one important concept, it is career awareness and the importance of my subject biology. Because student you have covered your secondary education. Yes student, you have covered your third step of education. So I congratulate you. Because first you have covered your primary education, after that you have covered your middle education, and after the middle you have covered your third step of education, secondary education. And now you have come in the higher secondary or senior secondary education. And in the higher secondary student, you will have the option to select the different subjects according to your own interest student. Means the subject in which you have your own interest, those subjects you can choose in this class. So in this student, in the faculty selection or the stream selection, what thing plays very important role, it is your awareness. Means it is your duty that you select your faculty or your stream according to your own interest, not by the other interest, means like your father, mother or brother or sister. You should choose the subject according to your own interest, because all the subjects have the different career values. Means you can make your career with the help of all the subjects if you have interest in those subjects student. So first is self interest. Means you should select the subject according to your own interest. Second is personality. Means you should select the subject according to your personality student. If you have management personality or management having personality, then you should select the commerce. If you have your scientific personality, then you can select science. If you have your humanities like personalities, if you have your social personality, then you can select this subject student, humanities. So there are three main streams of the 11th class student, that is science, commerce and humanities. With the help of these three options, you can select your own subject. You can select your own faculty. First is science, second is commerce, third is humanities. Now in this student, your skill and abilities. Means you should also observe your own skill. You should do it with your self-observation, that in which faculty you are suitable, in science, in commerce or humanities or art. So with the help of this, you will know about your abilities, and according to your abilities or your skill, you should select the subject or you should select the stream student. Next is career values. Yes student, all this selection of faculty directly help you to make your future, help you to earn bread and butter, and help to you choose your occupation. So what should you do? You should select these subjects according to the career values or career demand. Means in which field you want to make your career. If you want to be doctor, engineer, scientist, manager, or if you want to be writer or poet or actor, then you can select these all subjects or these faculty according to your career, according to the career values. Means in which there are more career values. Like if I speak about my subject, so in these days the subject that is more in demand, it is biology student, it is biology. Why? Because in this corona pandemic, the health workers that are helping us, all health workers were students of biology student. They were student of biology. That's why they are helping you. That's why I will say you that you should select my subject biology student. But in this you should also have your self interest. If you have your self interest student, then you should go for that. So in the science, first we will discuss about the science student. In the science there are the three types student. First is medical, second is non-medical, third is agriculture. Means again science is divided into three substreams. First is medical student. In the medical you will study about the physics, chemistry and biology. Means my subject biology student. Second is non-medical. In this you will study about the physics, chemistry and mathematics. Third is agriculture student. In the agriculture again you will study my subject biology, and in this which subject you will study student? Agriculture, biology and chemistry. Third stream is student, it is commerce, and in the commerce you will study about the accounts, business study and economics. E for economics student. And in the humanities, in our school, these are the subject student. From these subject you can choose any three. Geography, Hindi, history, economics and political science. These are the subjects. From these subject you can choose any four subject student. So these are the faculties, or these are the streams that we have in our school, in SKM public school student. Now I come again on my subject, that is medical and agriculture. I will teach you biology student, biology. So about the biology I want to tell you that biology you will read in this two substream student. First is in medical, second is in agriculture. Some student of non-medical they can also take bio student as additional subject. Bio they can take as additional subject student, because there are many of career options. Those career options or those careers are related to bio and math both. Like in nowadays we are knowing about the different machines, biomedical machine student. Like with the help of that we can measure the oxygen level, like we measure the blood pressure, sphygmomanometer, oxygen meter, and all these devices are related with biomedical instruments, and those biomedical instruments are prepared by the biomedical engineer student. So you can also take biology with math, and in the agriculture there is also biology student. Now biology is the important subject student, because it is directly related to our life. If we know about the biology, then we can easily know about our body. We can know about the plants, we can know about the microorganisms, and we can also know about the environment. And in the environment there are the biotic components are found, and those biotic components can be studied with biology student. Now I will tell you the career option of the biology student. So student, now we will discuss about the scope of biology, means scope of medical and agriculture in our daily life. Yes student, you can make your future or you can make your career by choosing the biology, because with the help of the biology you can become these, or you can choose this occupation and you can become this person student. Means if you want to be doctor, surgeon, then you should select this biology. If you want to be nurse, then you should select biology student, because the doctor, nurse or physiotherapist, these are the person student that are directly related to our body, means they study about the human anatomy and physiology, and that human anatomy and physiology come in the category of biology student. So biology is essential to become doctor, surgeon, nurse and physiotherapist. With this student, if you study about biology, or if you study the biology, then you can also become the pharmacist. Now, what are the pharmacist student? Pharmacists are the person who study about the drugs or the medicine. And if you select this job, means this occupation, pharmacy occupation, then you can purchase or you can sell the medicine, and you can also do the research on the medicine. So it is also the one important occupation in which you study about the medicine. Next is biochemist. If you study about the biology student, then with the help of the biology, you can also become the biochemist. Yes student, biochemist is the most important occupation, and biochemist study about the biochemicals like carbohydrate, protein, fat, lipid, vitamins, hormones, enzymes. All these come in the category of biochemicals, and these biochemicals are studied by the biochemist. Next is geneticist. You can also become the geneticist student, and geneticist or genetic engineer are the person who study about the gene, means who study about the DNA and RNA. In nowadays, this branch people are working to find out the vaccine or the permanent treatment of corona student. So this branch or this occupation is in demand nowadays student, geneticist or genetic engineer. Next is cytologist. Now what are the cytologist student? Cytologists are the person who study about the cell, structure of the cell. So if you take the biology student here, then you can become cytologist also. With this, histologist. Histologists are the person student who study about the tissue. So if you want to study about the plant tissue or the animal tissue, then you can take the biology student. With this, you can also become the scientist student. By taking the biology, you can also become the biologist or the biology scientist student. And you can do the research on the plants, animals, human and microorganisms. And you can also do the research on gene student. So with the help of biology or by choosing the biology subject, you can become the scientist also. With this student, you can also become the ecologist. Yes student, ecologist. Ecologists are the person student who study about the ecology. Now what is ecology? Ecology is the branch of biology student that deals with the biotic and abiotic components. So by taking the biology student, you can also become the ecologist. Now this biology subject is also related with the agriculture student, because agriculture deals with the plants and animals. In the plants, generally the farmers grow the crops, and they grow the crops with the help of this branch of biology student. If you study about biology student, then you can become a trained farmer. You can become a trained farmer student. Yes student, who are the trained farmers? Who know about the crops, the types of crops, about the seed selection, about the harvesting, about the cultivation, about the storage of the crop. If the people have the full command on this, then those are known as trained farmer. So you can become trained farmer if you take the biology. With this, you can also become the field officer. Yes, students, they in the offices there are the one branch of agriculture that is known as field management, and that field management of the farm management is done by the field officers. With this, you can also become the agriculture officer student. Agriculture officer supervise the farming student. You can become the farm manager. Manager you can become. Agriculture scientist you can become student. Yes, you can do the research on the crops, on the plants, and you can also do the research on the particular animal student like sheep, goat, camel. With this, you can become the soil engineer. Yes, students, soil engineer. As you know that the plants or the crops need the soil, and with the help of the soil, they take the minerals. So you can also become the soil engineer by taking the biology, and you can become the horticulturist student. Horticulturist are the person who study about the garden, and with this you can also become the floriculturist, means the person who study about the flowers. So these are the branch of the agriculture student, or these are the occupation from which you can earn bread and butter in your future, and you can make your bright future student. That's why I will say you that you select biology, but according to your self-interest student. If you have the self-interest in this field, then you can take this option student, or you can select this option biology. Now we come on the branch of biology. In the next segment we will study about the branch of biology. So student, there are the different branch of the biology. First is botany. It is the branch of biology that deals with the plant student. In this we study about the plants. Next is zoology student. It is the branch of biology that deals with the animals. Animal student. There are the different type of animals are found. All those animals are studied in the zoology. Next is biochemistry. It is the branch of biology student that deals with the biochemical substances like carbohydrate, protein, fat, and vitamins students. Next is human anatomy and physiology. It is the important branch of biology student that deals with the internal structure or internal body parts of human and their working. Means internal body of human and their functioning are studied in this branch of biology student, and it is known as human anatomy and physiology. Next branch of the biology is ecology student, and this branch of biology deals with the environment, and especially in this we study about the biotic components like plants, animals, microorganisms. With this, in this branch of biology we also study about the health student. Yes student, health is the important, or healthcare is the important branch of biology, and that deals with the health of human beings student, that deals with our health. Like in nowadays we are facing the problem of corona pandemic, and that corona pandemic problem we can deal with the help of biology student. If we have our biology strong student, if we know about our internal body, then we can also have the precaution, a proper precaution we can have, and with the help of the precaution we can have the preventive measurement, and we can protect ourselves from the corona. So that healthcare branch of is also the branch of biology. So these are the branches of the biology. If you will take the biology subject, then all these subject or all these branches we discuss, student. So now it is your duty that you take a proper subject, a proper branch. If you want to take science, then you take science. If you want to take commerce, then you take commerce. If you want to take humanities or art, then you take art. And you also think about the biology, student. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.